We're in the middle of day 2 of this year's health and safety event at the NEC. And this year we've seen significant growth both in terms of exhibitor support, and we've seen significant growth so far in terms of visitor footfall as well. The most important thing, I think, in running an event like this is to try as hard as you can to listen to the visitors. So where this show has been and will continue to be led by great quality educational content delivered through our partners, the British Safety Council and the IIRSM, we've also made some other changes. We've tried to increase our focus on safer logistics. That's been very popular, and that's ongoing for the 3 days. And we've also tried to draw attention to some of the latest and greatest product and service innovations in this sector. Things are really moving fast, technology is moving forward, and it's very difficult to keep abreast of that.
We had a very good day on Tuesday where we had a number of really good quality leads. That's continued throughout the day on Wednesday, where we've had up to about 15 really good conversations on the stand, and we actually, about half an hour ago, sold a machine off the stand, which is something we're really pleased about.
We've invested in a new feature called Lion's Lair. We had 38 entries for our product and service innovation competition, and we've got some guest judges who are taking a hard look at 16 finalists. But the important point here was to get the interaction from the visitor.
I've just been into the Lion's Lair to listen to a seminar about new products. Very informative. You've got the pros and cons of the new products. There's a good panel of people that are asking questions. They're very pertinent questions. It really brings out each product and gives its pros and cons.
So that's just one example of new innovations for the show that have gone down particularly well.
The UK's health and safety performance is the envy of many other countries. What is clear is that there's a focus now that there's never been before on occupational health. The British Safety Council is a big supporter of a new HSE strategy, helping Great Britain work well. There's some very, very big challenges. So although we've got an improved performance in terms of preventing injury and ill health in our workplaces, there's still an awful lot to do.
What doesn't change is the need for education, the need to keep yourself informed. Now, it's very important that that's delivered by people who are recognised as being experts in their field. We have 45 different guest speakers across 4 theatres here at the show, and the feedback for us from our visitors has been instant recognition of those faces and an appreciation of the opportunity to listen to the latest thinking from people who are leading in the industry, those thought leaders that are most influential.
Went to the talk by Tim Marsh on basic cultures, health and safety cultures. Seeing somebody, particularly of Tim's calibre, something like this is absolutely brilliant, so definitely worthwhile.
I've met Tim a number of times in the past. He is very, very informative. He's humorous, gets the message across. An hour very well spent.
The session with Ryder Marsh, it was really good on behavioural safety. I think it's probably my 10th session with him, and every time it's different.
We've also, with the support of our new partner NEC, invested in an education pavilion.
We wanted to do the education pavilion in order to give a focal point, not just for our students to find us, but also somewhere where our course providers could be close to us, so that students then could go and talk to them directly.
This is the first time out for that, and you'll see that at our Health and Safety North show at the end of the year. You'll see that back here again in March next year as well.